Report DD News, Meghalaya.
The Indian Meteorological Department organized a stakeholders workshop on weather and climate services in Shillong today. The event was part of the Indian Meteorological Department's 150th anniversary celebrations. Secretary of Revenue and Disaster Management, Matseo Dorwar Nongbri, attended the event as the chief guest. Director General of the Meteorology, Dr. M. Mohapatra, provided insights into the structure and goals of the workshop, noting that such events provide an interactive platform for stakeholders to share their feedback, opinions and suggestions regarding IMD, weather and climate services.
We are reaching out to the farmers through state government. We have got mobile app, state also has got mobile app. We have the KVKs, through which also Indian Council of Agriculture Research, India Meteorology Department and the State Agriculture Department, state universities are working together to provide the impact-based forecast. Impact-based forecast is a new phenomenon which has been taken place in the country for the last 5 years. Especially in the field of agriculture, if you just look at, the impact-based forecast can help to minimize the input cost, to maximize the agricultural operations like say fertilizer operations or pesticide operations, weeding, etc.
In its bid to fight drug menace in Meghalaya,